Now I'm at the Noor Khan Air Base, near Pakistan's capital Islamabad. The first batch of Sinopharm COVID-19 vaccines that the Pakistani government purchased from China has arrived here. On Tuesday night, the first batch of CanSino COVID-19 vaccine that the Pakistani government purchased from China arrived in Islamabad. Just now, a handover ceremony for the two batches of Chinese vaccines that the Pakistani government bought was held here. Earlier this year, the Chinese government and the military has donated 3 batches of Sinopharm COVID-19 vaccines to Pakistan. In early February, Pakistan officially launched its vaccination program across the country shortly after receiving Chinese government-donated Sinopharm vaccines, with the frontline healthcare workers given the priority for inoculation. On March the 10th, Pakistan began vaccinating its people aged 60 years and over against COVID-19, which is the second phase of the nationwide vaccination drive.
We have plans for continued purchase of doses in the millions from China, both Sinopharm and CanSino, and perhaps others. I think these vaccines gained regulatory approval in Pakistan relatively early and before many of the countries across the globe. And it was all based on very solid clinical trial data. And that is why we are very confident that the actual utilization, as it's happening now, will protect citizens, Pakistani citizens, as it is doing in other countries as well. So I think these are good vaccines to have. And one of the most important things that people forget sometimes is that the pivotal, the crucial part of a vaccine's protection is the protection it offers against serious disease or death. And that's a very high number for these vaccines, and that is the one to remember.